Welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring how American Airlines has embraced artificial intelligence to enhance their operations and transform the air travel experience. Airlines have always faced challenges when it comes to efficiency, safety, and sustainability. But one airline has taken a bold leap into the future by using AI to tackle an age-old problem, cleaning up the skies. From improving flight paths to streamlining operations, AI has become a powerful tool in the airline industry. But what if AI could do more? What if it could help clean the skies, making air travel not only more efficient, but also more sustainable? American Airlines is one of the pioneers in using artificial intelligence to optimize flight operations. Their focus? Sky cleanup. But how exactly does AI fit into this equation? Let's break it down. The traditional process of managing air traffic, maintenance, and emissions has always been complex, but it's about to change. American Airlines has implemented AI algorithms to improve various aspects of air travel, making the skies cleaner and more efficient. First, let's talk about flight path optimization. AI helps airlines like American Airlines design more efficient routes, reducing unnecessary fuel consumption and emissions. By analyzing real-time weather data, air traffic, and other variables, AI can adjust flight paths in real time, ensuring flights are as direct as possible while avoiding turbulence and adverse conditions. This not only helps save fuel, but also reduces the carbon footprint of each flight. AI essentially finds the most efficient routes, cutting down on flight time and environmental impact. AI also plays a crucial role in aircraft maintenance. With AI-powered predictive analytics, American Airlines can monitor the health of their aircraft more effectively. By constantly tracking engine performance, fuel efficiency, and wear and tear on parts, AI can predict when maintenance is needed before an issue arises. This predictive approach helps reduce unexpected breakdowns and ensures the aircraft are in optimal condition, reducing delays and keeping planes in the sky longer. Fewer delays mean fewer emissions and a more sustainable approach to air travel. Now let's talk about emissions. With the aviation industry being a major contributor to global carbon emissions, every step towards sustainability counts. American Airlines is using AI to not only improve flight paths and maintenance, but also to monitor and reduce their environmental footprint. AI-driven systems can track a plane's fuel consumption and optimize the engine's performance, ensuring the aircraft is burning the least amount of fuel necessary. By reducing fuel usage, American Airlines has cut down on emissions, making air travel cleaner for the environment. AI is also streamlining operations on the ground, further contributing to a cleaner, more efficient airline system. By automating baggage handling, check-in processes, and gate management, American Airlines is reducing the time planes spend on the tarmac, cutting idle engine times, and reducing fuel consumption. These AI-driven improvements help reduce the overall carbon footprint of the airline by making operations more efficient and reducing the need for planes to run engines while waiting for takeoff. As AI continues to evolve, the potential for cleaner skies grows. In the future, we could see even more advancements, like AI helping develop cleaner fuel technologies, or even fully autonomous flights, which could optimize fuel usage and emissions further. The possibilities are endless, and American Airlines is at the forefront of this revolution, making air travel not only smarter but more environmentally conscious. American Airlines is proving that the future of air travel doesn't have to be as harmful to the environment as it once was. With AI powering smarter flight paths, predictive maintenance, emission reductions, and more efficient operations, the airline is paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future in aviation. The integration of AI into aviation is a game changer, and American Airlines is leading the charge. As the technology continues to improve, we can only imagine what the future holds for both the airline industry and the environment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest innovations shaping our world.